Hello everybody, this is another unboxing and short review of the Godox Flash TT520II. So this is the box it comes in. You got a battery pouch and a soft box for the flash. Here are some specifications written on the box, as you can see here. And let's open it up. This is your receiver, remote receiver, if you want to trigger your flash remotely from your camera and have the flash on the ground. This is the mount that you can place on the ground, some instruction manual, some silica gel. This is the pouch it comes in. This is the flash. On the front you have the infrared. As you can see, you can tilt it and also rotate it, but it does not go rotate 360 degrees. So you can rotate it however you want, but it cannot go all the way like spinning. So that's maybe a minus if you needed that function. Feels sturdy nonetheless. These are some extra ports on the side to connect whatever. I don't know what these are for. Maybe an extra remote or make it a slave flash. This is the back of it. What you have on options, you have wireless trigger, you have some intensity knobs, a test knob, and an on-off switch. This flash doesn't have TTL, so you have to set your camera aperture speed to 1/150 or 1/200. Battery compartment, you need 4 2A batteries for this flash to work and operate it. This is the pouch for it, and kind of has a weird feeling, a weird material to it, but who cares actually. So this was about it. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. See you next time. Ciao.